Hi guys! Hi everyone! Hello everybody! So today it's my day off today, so I decided to make some Filipino snack. So I make Kamote Cue. Kamote Cue is a famous snack in the Philippines. This is actually famous in the Philippines, like street food. Very healthy, easy, and it's very affordable. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Filipino snack Kamote Cue. Snacks, Filipino snack. So guys, our Kamote Cue is done now. Time to taste the Kamote Cue. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please hit the bell button for more home cooking video. Have a good day everyone.